This is the project that I've coded. This particular application runs on Java and is made for the Android system. This this application is mostly for uh, travelers who travel around the world and want to know the geological position of everything and be more globally minded. So in this project, I had coded the main backend as Java, and as the GUI, I created in XML. The XML file over here is quite unique because I, as well as adding a row or table, I had also added a fragment over here, which extends the com.google.android.gms.maps.map fragment class as so then it would work. This fragment over here is where the Google Maps API Google Maps will be shown. I'll show that later in my video, but for right now, let's go back and see the Android build processing. Over here, I've made two reference libraries. It is the Google Play Services library and the App Compact v7. This allows me to run my program without any glitches, and this allows me to extend or use the Google Maps API. To run this program, I have to run using the Google Maps API build target. By doing this, I'm able to see the Google Maps and will also be able to use and interact with the Google Maps. This build target is 5.0.1 and a API level 20. Over here, these are the different libraries that I have imported. As you can see here, the Android dependencies library includes the Google Play Services library as well as the App Compact v7. In the private libraries, there's the Android Support v4, the Google Play Services, and as well as the Android Support v7 Compact. This Google API is the build target, and we cannot remove that since it is quite important for the running of the program. This over here is the order and export tab. This is the order of the code execution, and it starts with the source code, which you've seen here. So after that, it goes back down to the generations, then to the APIs, then to the Android private libraries and the Android dependency libraries, which we viewed here. These are the Android dependencies, and these are the Android private libraries. Okay, so right now I'm going to DDMS, which allows me to insert a made up longitude and latitude, which I can send. So I'm going to move this to the side right now and allow this application to run. So this is the Google Maps API, and this is my application. Down here I have the Google Maps API, which, as you can see, I can move around, and I can also zoom in and zoom out. There you go. Zoom in and zoom out. So, as you can notice here, the current location, which I inserted over here, is the same. So it says longitude is -112 degrees, and it says here that longitude is equal to -122.08 degrees. And the latitude is 37 degrees, whereas over here the latitude is 37 degrees as well. In order to find the opposite location of the Earth, I had to multiply -1 to the latitude to get -37.42, and add or subtract 180 degrees from the longitude, which gives me 57.915 degrees. The closest landmass is a future improvement which I intend to carry out. So this application meets my users, my clients or stakeholders' needs, and he's very impressed to see this. Well, thank you again. Thank you for watching my video, and yeah.